everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela with Flip and Flutter Creations. Now for some of you, if you've been to my channel before or seen any of my videos, you're probably wondering, what, didn't she go by a different name? I did. I used to be Angela's Inspired Creations, and just recently I decided to upgrade from that as a DBA to an LLC. And when doing so, I decided, I think I'm gonna go ahead and change my name. Wasn't super in love with it and never wanted to have my name in my business, but it's really hard to come up with a business name that's not already taken. So I spent a long time coming up with a new name, and I combined my two favorite things, butterflies and books, and that's where the Flip and Flutter comes from. Now what you might not know is that the flip side, the book side, comes from the fact that I am also a K-8 school librarian full-time. That's what I do when I'm not crafting and not creating fun things for other people. And I actually have created a Teachers Pay Teachers account where I have a lot of my librarian products available. So you might start seeing not only my crafting tutorials, but also some Teachers Pay Teachers tutorials here in the future as well. Now some of you are probably wondering, where has she been all this time? I've actually taken a little bit of a break, about a year. I've been off because I had an amazing, beautiful, wonderful little girl named Veronica in December of 2019, and turns out I haven't made a video since then. So I am back at it here with all of your crafting tutorials from your Cricut or even other different crafting products that you might be looking to make and need some help with those. Not only do I have a Cricut Explore Air, I also have a Cricut Maker, which I just got last year. And so I have all kinds of new and exciting products to share with you guys on the Maker as well as the Explore Air. So we have tons of new tutorials coming in the future. All the different things that you could want to craft, from t-shirts to pillows to home goods to etching to tumblers. I do have some tumbler tutorials in there, although I'm not doing as many of those recently, just because with the baby it takes a lot of time and it's not as easy to get those done and get away from her for a little bit to do those, which, I mean, that cute face, how could you want to get away from that? So I am back at it, here to bring you all the tutorials of all the crafty things. I can't wait to share some new things with you here soon, so be watching for some new videos that will be showing up. My goal is to get at least one video up a week, if not maybe moving into more as she gets a little bit older and to have a little more time for mommy things like crafting and doing these fun YouTube tutorials. So, looking forward to seeing you. I hope you will subscribe to my channel to be notified when I put up a new video, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. Thank you so much.